Lesson 10 Vocabulary Words. Number 1, invention. The light bulb was an invention that helped people to do things at night. An invention means it is something that somebody creates to make our lives easier. So everything that we use on a daily basis has been an invention. For example, a pencil sharpener was an invention. The computer was an invention. iPhones were an invention. So many different things. The pencil even is an invention. Number 2, experiment. First, an inventor must perform an experiment to test an idea. An experiment is something that we have all probably done in science class before. It is when we test out our ideas and see if they work. And if they do work, then we can go on to the next step. And if they don't work, then they have to fix the invention. Number 3, laboratory. Scientists may test their ideas in a laboratory using special equipment. A laboratory is a place where scientists go to do experiments and to test ideas. And a lot of times in laboratories, scientists will wear these white lab coats that you see here. Number 4, genius. Although Einstein acted silly, he was known for his great mind, or genius. So this is a picture of Albert Einstein, another famous inventor. And he acted silly, but he was known to be a genius. A genius is somebody who is very brilliant, very, very highly smart. Number 4, gadget. A small gadget with many parts, such as a watch, can be hard to repair. So gadgets are little tiny things, little inventions that people use to make their lives easier. For example, a watch or even a cell phone could be a gadget. Number 6, electric. The invention of the electric fan helps us to stay cool in hot weather. Electric is something that uses electricity, like light bulbs. Fans use electricity, so they are electric. You might have an electric stove at home, so if your power goes out, you can't use it. Electric means that we need electricity to power something. Signal. A red light is a signal to stop. This invention helps to save lives. So this red light here looks like it is on a train and is telling the drivers to stop so that the train can pass. A signal means that it's like a sign or a certain thing to help people understand what to do. So another example of a signal would be a stop sign that tells people to stop, or a traffic light. So a stop light, if it's red, green, or red, yellow, or green, it depends on what the driver is going to do. And the red tells people to stop when they're driving, the yellow tells people to slow down, and the green tells people to go. Those are all signals. Number 8, occasional. A good invention has an occasional problem, but should not fail regularly. Occasional means that it happens sometimes, but not all of the time. So sometimes an invention might have a problem, but it doesn't always happen. Those are your vocabulary words for lesson 10.